very clicky. I think the contact's a little messed up. It doesn't press like the regular GAO. We are at 5500 Yale. I've been meaning to come in here for a bit. Now I finally made it here when it's open. Oh wow. Oh, what the heck? What? What is this? I'm really confused. Okay, wait a minute. What? What the heck? Oh, whoa. What are these fixtures? What? That's some sort of Dover button. What on earth is this? Oh, you going down?
Yeah, you go down?
Yeah, I'm just taking a project. Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I just like elevators.
Yeah, this one's really old school, man.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I guess we're still going now.
Yeah, because we're on the 3rd, and we're going down. So. Oh, you're going up.
I don't know. I didn't even light up, so I'm just going where it goes.
Gotcha.
Just one. Sorry.
No, you're good. You're good.
Sorry to take you so far out your way here.
No, it's okay. Yeah, these offices, man, they're like the room's just like right there.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
It's confusing. Have a good weekend.
You too, man.
What am I saying? It's Monday. I'm still in weekend mode.
I know, same actually, man.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you.
Oh look, it says Dover down here. I didn't even realize that. Anyway. That's it.